So this is one of the things I really love with the little China digger, is doing this kind of stuff. This little work like this. So we're inside the footer and we're roughing out the drains for under a radiant slab. So it's just little ditch work. It usually would be done by hand. And I got the little baby 8-inch bucket on here, and it digs a trench, you know, just big enough for a 3-inch pipe, and it can work around. There's a water line in there, work around the little stuff. So this thing is great inside the footer for the little work. And then I got the Rippa set up over here with the grading bucket, with the tilt grading bucket. So I just dig it up with this machine, and then I fix it with the other machine.